Hi guys, hope you're well today. Just thought I'd do a video on showing you how to get started and how to fund your Aurum account. Okay, the first thing you need to do once you land into the actual platform itself, you need to put some money in it. Okay, alright, so the first thing you need to do is you go to finance here, click on finance and it say top up. Alright, you want to top the system up, so you're going to put some money into the system itself. Okay, so you click on here, it says top up, and you allocate a wallet. You can either send USDT or USDC. Now it's entirely up to you. For this video's sake, I'm going to send USDT. Okay, so USDT. The network I'm going to use will be TRC20. Okay, and I click on continue. Then they give me a little window here. You can either scan on your phone, or you can do it manually. Okay, give you the code here, and when you send your funds to the actual Aurum platform, you need to buy a subscription as well. Okay, so you need to add that onto your deposit. Okay, so for example, when you send say $100, okay, $200, $300, or $1,000, you need to add $20 to the amount you're going to pay into the system. Okay, $20 is just under $20 actually. It's $19.99, I think it is, and that pays a subscription for a year. So basically, you're going to rent a box for a year. Okay. So the second thing you need to do once your funds are landed into the system, hand side navigation bar. And then here you'll see access to Aurum ecosystem. So basically you need to subscribe to the company. Basically it's like a license to own or rent a bot. Well, you're renting a bot for a year basically. Yeah? So you click on that. Then you bring to this page here. I'm a member anyway, so I've got 346 days within the platform. Okay, then I've got to renew it again. Then what you need to do, you need to active your subscription. When you click on that, obviously you've got to pay the $19 or $99, and once it's done that, it will automatically take it from your main account, which you've paid in already. Okay. So let's go to renting a bot for a year. So if you click on this button here, it says XIA bot. Click on that. And it gives you loads of options of packages, alright? Quite a few in fact. And all the percentages per month they pay you, alright? When I first started, I started with this one here. I put $1,000 in. Obviously paid the subscription charge payment for the license. And I built it up to 2,500, okay? And it gives me 13.12% per month, alright, profit. And then I did a second bot on the videos or on YouTube as a demonstration showing what people want to do, alright. So this gives me 10% per month, okay. Just gives you an idea. Once you've paid it, okay, once you bought that, it'll go blue, okay. All these are white because I haven't allocated any money in there, but it's optional. I'll do this eventually. When I get time, once I'll probably end up doing the business one. I might even do the VIP one. It pays more, 14% per month approximately, just under that, 14.88. That's not bad. It's a good little return on investment, you know. But meanwhile, you need to make a deposit, okay, to buy a bot. Okay, so for this video's sake, you say yours will be blank, yours will be 000. You create a deposit, okay, from your funds you've paid in. You allocate the money in there, say $100 or say $1,000. It's up to you. And then if you're happy with the system and you're happy what you're going to do, you just click on this button here, and this button here will go blue. You create the amount you want to go for. And then once it's allocated, it'll end up down here. So basically, your bots, that'll be your deposit you've paid. Alright. This will be 0 until the next day it starts going green. You start making daily returns. And this will be black. You know, you can either have it say white. That means that I can withdraw every day. It's up to me. Or I want to compound. I like it compound because I want to start compounding it. So my profits I make, it rebuys and rebuys. That's how I do it. But it's entirely up to you. Okay? And basically, and that's it. That's all in a nutshell. So if you're happy about this, it's a very, very good platform for making good passive income daily. You know? And also, guys, you know, say for example you made a deposit for say $100, you can add to it. You can top it up. I could top it up if I wanted to. It's up to me. You know? I could top it up to another $100. It's up to me. You know? That's the beauty about the system. Guys, this is a really, really good way of making good passive income. Alright? Meanwhile, have a great day and thank you very, very much for watching the video. I really appreciate it.